Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a brand new earning project. From this project you can simply scroll and earn reward and money. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel for latest videos and notification, and press bell icon for new videos. So hopefully you will like this video. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So as you can see, the project was open on screen. Creator X is the name of this project, and link and detail about this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. It's a very simple and easy method to be the member of this project. As you can see, detail was showing on screen. You can see top, new, cap, list, each and every detail was open. You can also see the token which was available on this website, so you can simply buy it and also get rewards. So first of all, you can connect your wallet from MetaMask or a Coinbase, which one you have. Simply connect with MetaMask if you have, and then you can be the member of this project. Simply scan it and your wallet will be connect with your website. So friend, you can see the MetaMask wallet was simply open. I will connect it from this website. So simply I enter my password, then it will be successfully connect with this website, as you can see. So it's a very simple and easy method to be the member of this project. Hopefully you will know how you can connect with this platform. Now friend, I will tell you about how it's work and how you can get benefits from this platform. First of all, you can see a live option, then you can see a point center option. It's also a very good opportunity for you. Simply you can log in. I will tell you how you can log in it from MetaMask. As you can see, simply I confirm it and my account was successfully logged in, and you can see rewards and each and everything was showing on screen. So it's a very simple and easy method to be the member of this project. It gives you 5 coins of this platform, so must participate in it and join it from referred link which was available in the description of the video. So hopefully you will know how it's work and how you can earn reward from it. And now I will tell you how you can trade in these token and how you can buy it. So simply you can see the current price and chart was showing on screen. You have an option of buying and selling. Simply you can buy or sell, or slippage was also available. Which one you want, simply click on it and trade it. Then you can see the liquidity, market volume, market cap, each and everything was available. Total supply was also showing on screen, so must read the detail and then be the member of this project. So hopefully you will know each and everything how it's work and how you can participate in it. And method of earning I will already tell with you. Now you can see the KYC option. It's also very important for you to know how you can create your account and be the member of this project. As you can see, risk distribution, third party platform detail was available, commitment, and each and everything was available. Creator X give you many more opportunities of earning, so must participate in it and join this project to get more reward. Now you can see application detail was also available, platform overview available. Then you can see how you can monitoring this platform and how it's work. You can see totally details, staff training, user education, and continuous improvement was also available in this project. So hopefully you will know each and everything how project works and which method of earning was using in this platform. So must join it and download the application, so you can get many more information about this project. Now we can go simply to the application of this project, and I will tell you how you can scroll and earn money from this platform and how much method of earning you can see. So simply we can go to the mobile screen. So friend, as you can see, the project was open in mobile phone, and I will tell you, just like a TikTok or Instagram, you can simply scroll and earn money. So first you can make your account. Simply click on create wallet. If you don't have any account, so simply click on create account, then you can set your password, wallet password, then create it. I will select it, then I will tell you how you can do next. So friends, simply I select my password, and now I creating my account. Simply I click on create it now, and then you can see the account was successfully created. And you can see some reels and many more things, as you can see on TikTok, on Instagram, as you can see. So it's a very simple and easy method and must participate in it. Then you can simply go to the next option. As you can see, new current pairs and new currencies tokens was also available. I will already tell you on laptop screen. Now you can see a wallet detail was also sharing. You can have a send option, receive option, or a asset option was also available. You can get your assets in Ethereum or USDC. Both option was available. You have an option of messaging, and then you have your account. You can simply showing your likes, followers, and many more things. As you can see, launch your token, invite friend, both option was available. Simply you invite your friends to get more reward. As you can see, invitation link was available. Simply copy it and get more rewards from this method. So it's a very good opportunity for you. Next you can see launch token option was available. Simply click on it and you can simply launch your own token. I will already tell you how you can launch it and how you can get the member of this project. So friend, hopefully you will know how it's work and how you can get profit from this platform. Now must follow them on social media account. As you can see, Twitter account was available. Must follow it for latest updates and news. As you can see, new announcement detail was also showing on the social media account. So must participate in it and get more information about this project. Hopefully it helps to grow more in this community. So also join the Telegram channel of this project to get many more updates and news. So it's a very beneficial thing for you, so must participate in it and be the member of this project. So hopefully you will like this video and already know about each and everything. Detail was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it, and it's a easy and simple method of earning. So hopefully you will like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Hope we will be meet in next video.